Welcome back friends. Dear students, here I have to apply that HD portraits options on the picture for its detail fixing with the help of the artificial intelligence. Its blurriness have been reduced friends, which could be watched on it like that one, and further we could apply that detail options on our face guys. Now I would apply that different kinds of a beautiful hair color on it friends, like these hair colors we are trying to apply on it. That's a black hair color, and that's red. And students will try all of these colors one by one on the image, and further we could apply that reshape and enlarge options on the image guys, which could be watched on the screen. Thanks for